Welcome to our exploration of SAF yeast under the microscope. Get ready to be intrigued as we delve into the microscopic world of this fascinating substance. But before we begin, let's take a quick visual inspection of our SAF yeast sample. As I carefully place it onto the microscope stage, we're about to uncover the hidden details within these tiny particles. As we zoom in, the intricate features of SAF yeast come into focus, revealing a fascinating array of textures and patterns. Each granule holds its own story, waiting to be discovered. While it may seem unassuming at first glance, SAF yeast surprises with its complexity and unique characteristics under closer examination. Join me as we unravel the mysteries of this humble yet remarkable substance. From its tiny particles to its significant role in baking and fermentation, SAF yeast offers insights into the world of culinary science. Thank you for joining us on this microscopic journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more captivating explorations. Stay curious and keep exploring the wonders of the unseen world.